There are many products available to choose. Best kitchen gadgets make everything easy, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Urban Trend Reverso Funnel Measuring Cup. Read from nearly any angle. Patented easy-to-read, designed to see measured amount from almost any angle without bending down or having to lift the measuring cup off the counter. It gets even easier. The measurements are even easier to read when looking from above due to water refraction, which creates an optical illusion where the measurements below the liquid level disappear, leaving only the above measurements visible. Built-in funnel. Includes a built-in funnel that easily snaps into the measuring cup for secure easy storage, and allows you to easily transition your measured item to the proper mixing bowls, pans, or cooking vessels. Ergonomic design. Features an easy pour spout for effortless transfer of ingredients, and an ergonomic handle for comfortable handling, holding and pouring no matter which hand is used or how full the cup is. Easy to clean. Top rack dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time baking and enjoying your baked goods. High quality, made from high quality food safe plastic. Satisfaction guaranteed. Our products are manufactured to the highest quality. We offer a 5-year guarantee on all Urban Trend products. If the product shows any signs of defect when used as it is intended, please contact us with the relevant purchase receipt and you will receive a replacement for eligible returns. Number 2. Culner Grater Jar Set with 0.5-liter glass clip. Grater Set. Grating cheese and vegetables has never been easier than with the Culner Grater Jar Set. Simply place the grater attachment onto the top of the Culner jar and grate your food straight into the jar below. Once completed, seal the jar with the airtight, clip-top lid to store in the fridge. Contents. This set includes one Culner 0.5-liter clip-top jar and one stainless steel grater attachment. Please note this item is dishwasher safe. Please do not pour boiling water directly into the jar. Size. The grater attachment also fits Culner clip-top jar sizes 1, 1.5 and 2-liter jars. Sustainable glass. Culner glass is made from natural ingredients, ensuring no harmful chemicals or toxins can leak into your food. The glass is also BPA-free and does not absorb odors, flavors, or stains. Not only is glass a healthier option, but it is also made to last and never for single use. The Culner story. The original Culner jar, invented by John Culner & Co., in England, is as much loved and successful now as it was over 180 years ago. Number 3. Lock and Lock Easy Match by Starfruit 71 ounces round container, clear/orange. Sold as one each. Nestable and stackable containers. Made of polypropylene and no BPA. Can be used in the microwave, dishwasher and freezer. 100% air and liquid tight. 71 ounces. Number 4. Liquid Jar to Go. 2-piece travel jar. Container. The perfect kit for parfait and snacks on the go. Container with adjustable proportions. Ideal for controlling quantities and keeping the ingredients separate and dry. Focused on creating snacks and lunches on the go and keeping it fresh in the fridge during the night. Promoting a healthy, easy and fast lunch or breakfast. Easy to clean. Dishwasher safe. BPA free. Number 5. Nopro Garlic. Ginger Mini Veggie Cutter. Perfect for slicing quick, thin, even slices of garlic, ginger, shallot, and much more. Food holder keeps hands safely away from the stainless steel blade. 2 slice thicknesses to choose from, 1.5 mm/3.5 mm. Clear base catches the slices safely, less mess. Easy to assemble, disassemble and clean.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.